Morning traders, and this is your DAX review for today. So we had some news from the ECB yesterday, which is why it was so volatile. But as you can see, the levels that we had drawn in yesterday, so we had our triangle, we had the breakout. We came back into test the break of the triangle, but then obviously it came all the way back down here, pretty close to the gap. And you can see there's my swing high, my inside bar. That's exactly where the buyer stepped in, and we hit the next level. Okay, remember from yesterday, those levels were pretty much the previous high here, this previous next inside bar on the daily. Okay, looking at the daily, we've got a hanging man at the moment. Yeah, I'm not filled with much confidence on this one, but our measured move is now met. If I'm correct, let's double check that. I'm pretty sure our measured move is done. Yep, it's pretty much done as far as I'm concerned. There it is there. Okay, so measured move is done. I think for me, there's a lot of warning bells here on the daily that are saying, watch out for the next level because that's where the sellers are stepping in. And if I look at the 3-hour, trend is still up, but we do have two indecision bars here. So for me, I think today is a case of taking a long weekend. Lots of volatility yesterday, so I wouldn't be too surprised to see the volatility continue between these two levels here, or alternatively between this middle level and the upper side. So 12.384 in the middle, and 12.467 at the top, and 12.313 to the downside. We still have this gap to the downside, which may still attract some of the sellers, but I think for all intents and purposes at the moment, trend is still up. I'm just worried about all these oscillators. So if you're going to trade this, pick a 10, 12, 15 minute chart and use the fractal levels that you see on the lower chart. So there we go. So that's kind of what I'll be looking at. Okay, so a break below 12,400 will give me shorts. Not too sure where we're going to hit. If we do short, where we're going to go to. I would expect us to try and close that gap again, possibly come down to this area here of 12.343 before reversing. But I think being Friday, there's going to be some profit taking as well. So I'm going to take a long weekend, stay out of this market for now. Too much volatility yesterday, and I'd like to see some structure build before I get back into the DAX. Okay, so anyway, if you are going to trade it, the wise decision would be to trade 12,400 break to the downside or the 12,422 break to the upside, and that gives you a 25-point stop loss, which is, I mean, that's a very low risk trade. Okay, the other thing that you'll notice as well is you'll see that's a trend line that's forming. So a trend is up at the moment, but I'm not entirely convinced either way. Okay, there we go. That's me for today. Not really trading this market. We'll pick it up on Monday. We'll have a look at the other two markets that I trade, being the Dow and the South African top 40, to see if there's anything there. Okay, anyway, catch you later. Hope it helps. Cheers for now.